Are you looking to buy a new overlocking machine? Today is your lucky day. Unbox with me a new AMRO overlocking machine. It is also called a serger machine. For those of you who confuse it together, a serger machine is the same as an overlocking machine. But before I continue, welcome to my channel, Tailor Market NG. Here we talk about everything fashion tools and accessories and find ways to help you grow your fashion brand here in Nigeria. Now let's unbox. In a box of overlocking machine, a new box, these are the items you will find. You'll find the pedal, you'll find the plates, the thread plates, and then if you watch closely as I open the box, you will see that it is packaged in such a way that it is to help prevent damages to the overlocking machine. The box is to prevent it from any form of damages. So wherever you buy it from, it is easy to transport it over to you. Now, look at the machine itself. This is what you get when you buy a new overlocking machine. The machine is new, as you can see, and it is well placed. So that is it. You can look at the machine itself. Can you see? Yes, that is what you get when you buy a new overlocking machine. Let's now consider the items you find in the box of your new overlocking machine. Remember, this is the tabletop, and now you can see the thread plate, the box that comes with it with the tools, the machine itself. It has an extra motor wire, and it has the stand for the thread, and then the manual for your machine. That is all you get in the box of a new overlocking machine. All these items must be included in that box or else it is not complete. And if you can see, as you can see also, everything is well detailed. In that small box, that is your toolbox, you have a thread cutter, you have extra oil, that's the oil, you have the screws for assembling your machine when necessary. That is what you will use. Then you have the screwdriver, you have a screwdriver, you can see. Then you have the spanner, that is the thread picker for you to thread your machine. And then you have the spanner, and it comes with an extra tailoring tape, and then the screws. You will need somebody to help you couple it up, or you have to watch a video to help you assemble your overlocking machine. An overlocking machine is essential for every fashion designer if you don't want to be running helter-skelter, going from one fashion place to the other to make sure that your clothes are well tidied. It's just essential for you to have one. So if you want one, kindly send us a message and we'll make sure that you get it anywhere you are in Nigeria. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.